Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Norshahira Adilah Binti Ahmad.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Norshahira Binti Jasni.
Common sense for asset is the formula is the asset item in asset divided by the total asset. Put the dollar signs and drag it, and then in 2018 the same formula is same and put the dollar sign, and then we drag until the total asset, and then same goes with the 2017. The formula is same, and then we drag, put the dollar signs, drag, and this is the answer. For the liabilities, the formula is same. Item in liability divided by total liability. We put the dollar signs and drag the formula until the total liabilities. This is the answer for 2019. For the 2018, the same formula. Again, put the dollar signs and drag it into the total liabilities. And then for 2017 is the same formula again, and put the dollar signs and we drag into the total liabilities.
In this part, I will explain the year-to-year changes analysis. I will explain how to calculate the increase amount and the decrease percentage. For the comparison of year 2019 and 2019, we calculate the increase amount with the formula of amount of year 1 minus with year 0. And for the decrease percentage part, we will use the formula the increase amount that we calculate divided by the amount of year 0 and times with 100. And the same goes to the comparison that we want to make for year 2019 and 2017. And this is for the asset part. Next, we calculate the changes amount and the decrease percentage for every liabilities and equities for the comparison between year 2019 and year 2018. The formula will be applied. Same with this part. And this is the answer for year-to-year changes analysis. Next, we move to the index number trend analysis. In this part, I will show how to calculate the index percentage for the 3 years. Firstly, we must know that year 2017 is the base year. So each of the index percentage for all assets in year 2017 is 100%. To calculate the index number for year 2019 and 2019, the formula is the amount of that current year divided by the amount of base year in 2017 and times with 100%. So this is answer for the asset index number. Next, we calculate the liabilities and equities index percent. For year 2017, the index number still remain at 100%. And for year 2019 and 2019, the formula is same.
One way data table, so we insert the 15,000 and then put the RM, and then for the next is equal to click this and then plus the 15,000 and then drag this formula, and then for this formula we use the equal PMT and then go to rate of return divided by 12 and then select the month, and last one is select the saving amount and then enter. We get the answer, and then select this table and go to the data and then what if analysis, data table, and then column, select the saving amount.
Next, we move to the situation 2, which the question asks for the profit earned and units sold by the company. In this part, we assume that the quantity produced by the company is 40,000 units. And the unit price given is 40 ringgit. And we find the quantity sold by the formula of equal to mean demand output quantity produced, and we got the answer 10,000 unit. And we'll find the revenue. The formula is unit price times by quantity sold, and the answer is 400,000. And for variable cost, the formula is unit sold times by quantity produced. And now we calculate the profit with the revenue minus variable cost and fixed cost. And we got the loss 500,000. And the demand is begin at 10,000 unit, and it will be increased 4,000 unit. And we will see the changes for the profit and quantity units sold when there are increase in the demand. We go to the data, click what if analysis, and click data table, and put in the demand into the column input cell. And this is the result.
Two-way data table. First, profit equal to, click this cell and then enter. For unit price, we start with tens, ringgits, and 10, and click equal, click this cell and plus 10 and drag until 17. And then for the unit cost, we start with 4 ringgit until 25 ringgit. Select first, the formula is same as the unit price, and then drag until the end. And then for this, the next one is select all the table, go to the data and what if analysis data table, and then the row is unit cost and the column a unit price, and enter. So this is a result of two-way data table. As the unit price increase and the unit cost increase, the profit keep of increase, but the max is 1,400,000 and the minimum is 0 ringgit.
That's all from us. Thank you.